Hi, welcome to this new video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the language in phpMyAdmin. In order to do that, let us start our XAMPP. So let's suppose this one is not there. So we have to come here and type XAMPP. And here we bring up the XAMPP control panel. And from here we start Apache. And then we also start MySQL here. For now, we need these two, and we click on admin to start the portal, admin, phpMyAdmin portal, web portal, where we can control everything. So do the administration. So we come here on phpMyAdmin. We are presented with this page. And then you see different options here. Actually now my interface is in German. So I would like to change it to a different language. So what I will do, I will come here, right here in front of us, we see like allgemein Einstellungen and Anzeige-Einstellungen. So here is Anzeige just mean like interface Einstellung settings. So then we are going to change it here. We see Sprache, language, and then Dutch, German. So we click here, and then now we can change it to, let's say we change it to French. Then you can see now that our interface now is in French. You can see here paramètres d'affichage, langue, langage, and then you can see French here. And everything's here, as you can see, you can do everything, état, des comptes, base de données, and everything. So you can also come back here and change it to a different language here, which could be English. Yeah, it's now back to English. So everything is in English, even though I don't speak Chinese. Let me go to Chinese here. You can see that the interface here is in Chinese and everything's, but let's bring it back to English here. So I hope that you like this video and it has been helpful to you. Stay tuned. Bye.